Alright, here's a very quick tutorial on how to share a folder on sync.com. So we want to share the folder called Photos. Simply go over here and select Share, Manage Links, and then click Copy Link. That way you can email it to somebody or text it, or however you want to share that link with somebody or multiple people. The other way is same folder, select Share, invite users, and then right up here you'd enter their email address and click Share. If you have a pro account, then you can allow for more features, but in this case you're using a standard free account on sync.com. There we go. That is how to share a link on sync.com.